Superheroes. Solving problems by multiplying. The fantastic duo versus the mad scientist.
No! Our team will protect you.
When it seems like all is lost.
Help! Oh! Super Nye is here.
Their motto is "We'll never keep you waiting."
Super Speed! Help! Super E is here.
Mission 1 multiply by 2s. Mission 2 multiply by 3s. And Mission 3 multiply by 5s. Let's enter the mad scientist lab to see what he is up to.
Never fear. On my way.
2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10.
Problem solved. I got you, bad guy. The gig is up.
Oh no!
Get back here, bad guy. To the rescue. I'm on my way.
Three times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15.
Problem solved. Super E is here. Super Speed.
Oh no! Foiled again, rats.
Ah!
5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25.
Problem solved.
Super E and Super NY defeated the mad scientist. The city calls for a hero. Are you ready to be a math hero? Who is ready to answer the call?
We're here to save you.